Waves has done it again. If you saw my Black Friday video, I mentioned that Waves is giving away a free plugin this year, like they do like every year. It's here. It's a one-knob saturation plugin called Lil Tube. So here's the thing. There are a lot of one-knob saturation plugins. I mean, you've got Softtube's saturation knob, Sausage Fattener, Sound Toys' little radiator, Little Tube, little radiator. So how's this plugin different? Let's find out. All right, here we are. It is the simplest simple boy. It's just got a drive, output, and a soft, normal, and high sensitivity settings. So let's see what it sounds like. Let's start with some drums. Okay, so I've got this drum pattern. Let's see what this sounds like with Little Radiator on. Oh, I mean Little Tube. All right, that's pretty sick. It definitely consumes some of that low end, but that distortion's pretty meaty. Let's see what it sounds like on high. So it sounds like 2.5, 3 is pretty close to what normal was all the way turned up. Let's see how spicy we can get. Interesting. That might be good on like drum rooms or something. Now soft, for those softies out there. So I can tell it is limiting the signal, at least on soft. Let's see if is it limiting it on high? There's definitely some automatic gain compensation going on that's not quite exactly where it needs to be. I think on soft it sounds pretty good. It's just like a little there's a little extra bumpity bump. Although normal, this sounds pretty sick. I like it. Okay, let's see what this thing sounds like on like a bass sound. Ooh, that's good. It starts to kind of eat the transients when you get real high, but like up in this range. Yeah, that's pretty good. I like that. Let's get out of control with this. Just this is what it sounds like without it. And then that's maxed out. All right, yes. I'm definitely digging this. All right, so let's see what it sounds like on vocals. Oh, if you combine this with Wave's vocal bender, Boom, little Ultra Boy, but with 0 latency. Eat that sound, toys. Yeah, it very much reminds me of Decapitator, except it's just one knob, so it's probably closer to Little Radiator. So let's see how this stacks up on an 808 against like a Little Radiator. Now, the first thing, when you open up Little Radiator, why do they add the noise? Stop doing that, plugin people. If I want noise, I'll just, like, add noise. So the Little Radiator is definitely smoother sounding. I'm going to do a proper A-B here. They're very similar. Little Radiator's like a little bit smoother on the top end, and it doesn't take away as much of the low end. But Lil Tube's got its own character. And this is as extreme as you can make Little Radiator. That's it. But Little Magma, you can get out of control with this. Look at this. There's a lot more flexibility in Little Tube than there is in Little Radiator. So even though they're the same, they're different. Now, Soft Tube, why you plug in so small? Why is your plugin so small? Saturation knob is also free, except it's always free. So you can go right now and get this on the Soft Tube website for free 99. Why is it so small though? Like, there we go. We're all in the same world here. They're all about the same size.
It's average size.
Not small, it's average. Here's the thing about Soft Tube's saturation knob is it has 3 saturation types, keep high, neutral, and keep low. So it changes the bias to keep your low frequencies or keep your high frequencies in the distortion. Let's start on neutral. See, when you bring in that, let's just solo this. You've still got all the high end, but the low end's gone. Now all that low end's still there. Neutral. Okay, all right. It's pretty sick, right? Like you can get way nastier with it because this is just a normal. When you put it on high, it gets like extreme. Both the Soft Tube and SoundToy's version of this plugin, they sound good, but they're fairly light-handed. No pussyfooting with the Lil Tube. You could just smash it. All right, how about some guitar? It's very subtle. You can be pretty subtle with it, but man, that's a big difference. What happens if you get all heavy-handed with it?
No.
All right, I got some trumpetos. Trumpets. I found this loop on Splice and I was like, oh, that is hot. You get like some like vintage vibes by throwing that on some brass. It just kind of gives it like a little bit of tube breakup. That's pretty nice. Let's just turn them all on. So what do you think? Is it good? Let me know in the comments. I think it's pretty sick. It's not necessarily earth-shatteringly groundbreaking, but you can push it pretty hard, which I think gives it an advantage over the other plugins in this space. So if you got value from this video, please consider subscribing, drop a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one.